Hey there, internet world. My name is Britton Davis, and I'm with Carini Heating, Air, Plumbing, and Electrical. I'm the operations manager here, and I wanted to talk to you about a little tech tip today. So we're going to talk about different types of water heaters. There's several different types of water heaters that are available. We do all different types and sizes and applications for all different types of homes. The first one we're going to talk about is just your standard gas tank water heater. A lot of people have these in their homes, mostly here in Southern California. A lot of people have converted them, but the most standard water heater we see a lot is just a standard gas water heater that goes in your home. These can be located in a closet, in a garage, outside, in an enclosed area. There's different places that they can be located. These standard gas water heaters has a gas hookup that provides water to your home on demand. Now these water heaters do come on occasionally throughout the day to keep that tank, depending on the size, anywhere from 30, 40, 50, and 100 gallons. That water stays consistently hot, causing gas to be used every single time that tank needs to heat itself up. Now the second type of water heater that's a little bit more economical is your tankless. Tankless hot water heaters are also gas. They also make electric tankless. The majority of the ones we switch from a regular tank goes to a tankless gas water heater. Now these tankless gas water heaters, the great thing about them, the ones we install come with a recirculation pump, as well as they only heat when you call for it. So you don't have that tank that's sitting in your garage just constantly heating over and over again, burning gas and burning energy inside your home, and including and raising the cost that's going to cost for your house to be able to have hot water. These tankless water heaters, as soon as you turn on a faucet or turn on a shower, it instantly starts to heat your hot water. Now, the nice thing about those is we can put in a recirculation pump. So if you have a kitchen sink that's completely on the other side of the house from your garage where your water heater is, and it takes forever to get hot water there, or even a shower, one by your master bedroom that you want to be able to turn on and have a shower and have it hot when you need it. This will have instant hot water to that location where you're not having to wait 5-10 minutes to get hot water. So you save water and you save energy at the same time. This brings us to our third most common water heater we install now, and that's the hybrid hot water heater. It's an all-electric tank water heater that we normally install in garages. Now this thing has a compressor in the top of it that can actually dehumidify and cool your garage to a certain point on those hot summer days. The hotter the garage is, the more energy efficient the water heater is. Guess what? Since it's all electric, with the electrification that California is doing, everyone's adding solar panels with the rebates right now. Your solar would pay for every part of your hot water, so you wouldn't have to pay gas anymore or have to have that extra gas bill just to be able to provide hot water in your home. Find out more tips and information from us by getting a plumber out there today to find out exactly what makes sense for your home, your application, for how many people are in the home, or what it is you're looking for the future of your home as California starts to move forward with different energy and rebates. So give us a call or comment on this link and we'll reach out to you.